Welcome to Lesson 7. The lesson covers two subjects, attestation and assurance. We begin on page 66 with the subject of attestation. The outline of this subject is presented here as items A through F, in other words, 6 divisions. And I'll just go over them quickly. A is the attestation standard. B covers the agreed upon procedures. C discusses prospective financial statements. D deals with pro forma financial statements. E includes management discussion and analysis. And F discusses compliance attestation. The chapter winds up with a summary on page 74. We will discuss each of the 6 items under the heading of attestation in class in some detail. The subject of assurance is treated a little more briefly, and it begins on page 74. This is a broader statement of services provided by the CPA to its clients beyond the issue of just an audit. Assurance services encompass audits of financial statements and other attestation services. Page 75 to page 77 give a variety of questions and statements regarding assurance, some of which we have not discussed yet, so we will take a look at those in class as well. We will examine the various services beyond the financial statement audit and how they fit into the overall picture. The discussion questions that were originally included in this chapter all dealt with the issue of statistical sampling and statistical methods. So I changed the first 2 and indicated that the second 2 you should skip those 2 items. So this leaves 2 discussion questions, and I wrote them into the lesson, but we'll cover them here quickly for redundancy and purposes of checking. Discussion question 7.1. Outline the section on attestation in greater detail than I did, by the way, and discuss the services of compliance with regulations and compliance regulation and management discussion and analysis. So those last 2 subjects give a brief discussion in addition to the outline. Discussion question 7.2 reads to define and discuss assurance. What is it? What does it mean in the context of the overall audit services? Where does assurance fit in? Certainly not insurance. Hope these are clear enough. Take the material from the text outline, which is presented to you there on pages 64 to 77. It's fairly lengthy, but most of it is material that we've talked about in the past, and we will discuss the specifics of the newer material in class Monday night. Look forward to seeing you then, and happy studying.